But one of my neighbors get stuck, so I am gonna help them.
Okay, woo! That's how we do it in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I just finished. You can see I try to do the best. So I will show you now how I get out from my ATV. And in another video I will show you how I get on my ATV and my wheelchair. I am Edgar Guzman. Very easy. I was born in Colombia, 1971. I moved to Canada in 2000 because I met the best beautiful woman in the world, that is my wife. And we got married here and we have the best kids around the world, that is Valentina and Isabella. I really enjoy spend time with my family, and I am very blessed because my kids love what I love to do. So I enjoy a lot of time, my free time with my family, on my vehicles or ATVs or fishing, doing outside things. I always say that I am the lucky one, because normally in 1,000 or a million people, one of them the vaccine doesn't work, and I was one of them. I was told that when I was a baby, I got the polio vaccine, but after a year it didn't work, or after some period of the time didn't work, and this is how I got polio. And I said that I was the lucky one because I grew up with my disease. I grew up how I can defend myself, how I can improve myself. I learned a lot from my father. My father was a great person. He taught me a lot in my life. He never seen me disabled, and he always said to me, Edgar, one day you will have a wife, one day you will have a kids, and you have to be able to bring the food on the table. You have to be able to do everything as everybody else. And I guess this is why I am how I am. That I accepted, I feel like normal as everybody else. My YouTube account. What I mentioned before, I just want to show people that somebody in a wheelchair can do different things. Being working with disabled people, I can see that some of them, they don't see more than what they have in front of them. In some of my videos, I show them how I can be very independent. This is why one day I said, well, I should start doing some videos to show the people more for disabled that they can do. They have a lot of things that they can explore outside. And at the other side is showing the people my toys. I like to show my people my toys. I try to do so many things that, and somehow this is why I think I enjoy doing my hobbies. Just to show not just my family, not just the society that is around me, that I can do the same thing as everybody else.
Hello.
It's very fun. I love it. Agárrense duro, ¿ok?
Se agarran súper duro.
Y ahí, sí. Muéstrale a la otra también. And this is why I want to show them that we have a beautiful world around the world that we can explore.
We are ready to go on that hill, esa montaña. Está el otro copiloto, Valentina Guzmán. Ese va a ser un buen challenge. Eso es un buen challenge, subir eso. No se peguen tanto.